हेलो स्टूडेंट, क्रेनिस्टिक क्लासेस में आप लोग का स्वागत है। एमसीक्यू लिटरेरी फॉर्म्स एंड मूवमेंट। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट है, कॉमेडी ऑफ ह्यूमर इज द टर्म अप्लाइड टू द टाइप ऑफ कॉमिक ड्रामा राइटन बाय जॉन फ्लेचर एंड ए बेन जॉनसन, बी शेक्सपियर, सी सैमुअल जॉनसन, डी मार्लो। तो पूछा है, कॉमेडी ऑफ ह्यूमर इज द टर्म अप्लाइड टू द टाइप ऑफ कॉमिक ड्रामा written by John Fletcher and A. Ben Jonson. Question number 2. Comedy of interview originated in the country A. Spain, B. UK, C. America, D. India. Comedy of interview को comedy of सिचुएशन भी कहते हैं। originated in Spain. Question number 3. Comedy of Manners was revived in France by Molière, B. Johnson, C. Fletcher, D. Shakespeare. तो Comedy of Manners was revived in France by A. Molière। और Comedy of Manners को originated कहाँ हुआ था? फ्रांस में बाय बेन जॉनसन। Question number 4. The comedy of manners flourished in England during A. Elizabethan age, B. Romantic age, C. Restoration age, D. Modern age. एलिजाबेथन हमारा 1558 से 1603, रोमांटिक एज 1798 से 1837, सी रेस्टोरेशन एज 1660 से 1700, डी मॉडर्न एज 1901 से 1945। ठीक है, The comedy of manners flourished in England during C. Restoration age. William Shakespeare का Much Ado About Nothing might be considered the first comedy of manners in England, but genre इसकी flourished हुई थी during the Restoration period. Question number 5. William Wordsworth, William Congreve, Oliver Goldsmith, and Richard Brinsley Sheridan are the writer of A. Comedy of Humor, B. Comedy of Manners, C. Comedy of Situation, D. None of these. William Wordsworth, William Congreve, Oliver Goldsmith, and Richard Brinsley Sheridan are the writer of Comedy of Manners. Question number 6. Abraham Cowley is known for inventing the metrical form of. Question 6 है, Abraham Cowley is known for inventing the metrical form of A. Abraham Ode, B. Cowleyan Ode, C. Horatian Ode, D. None of these. तो आंसर हमारा होगा B. Question number 7. A comic verse composed in irregular rhythm. A comic verse composed in irregular rhythm. A. Tragedy, B. Comedy, C. Doggerel. आंसर हमारा होगा C. Doggerel. Please like and subscribe this channel.